lonely for you. Oh, I'm so blue. Well, I'm so lonely, lonely for you. I don't know what to do. Please, my baby, I'm so lonely, darling. What am I gonna do? I'm so lonely for you. I thought I was doing the right thing. I took back your engagement ring, but now I found that I was wrong. But I'll have to go along till I find another day when you come to me and say, darling, I'm gonna be true. Then I won't be lonely for you. I need you so very much. I long for your sweet tender touch. Please come through my heart's door. Hey.
Fucking fuck! God, that just burnt the fucking piss out of me. Fuck! Ah! God damn, that's gonna be a fat boy. Oh shit, dog. Sorry, YouTube.
Oh yeah, Weld Whacker, whacking them welds right in there. Painted it later on. Didn't get that on camera. Low overhead, ain't looking the best, but it's in there. It's hot. It penetrated. Good.